Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today we will discuss the future of gaming, the PS5 reveal event which happened today, after which we know about the next gen consoles more than ever before. So this reveal event was all about games which we will be able to play on PlayStation 5. Mostly PlayStation exclusive titles were revealed, and all in all a lot of games were revealed like Ratchet and Clank, Rift Apart, Project Athia, Stray, Sackboy A Big Adventure, Destruction All Stars, Kena, Bridge of Spirits, Goodbye Volcano High, Oddworld, Soulstorm, Ghostwire Tokyo, Jet the Far Shore, Godfall, Solar Ash, Astro's Playroom, Little Devil Inside, and Bugsnax. Now some titles from my personal favorite were also revealed like Spider-Man Miles Morales, Returnal, Hitman 3, NBA 2K21, Demon's Souls, Deathloop, Resident Evil 8, Pragmata, and last but certainly not the least, my personal favorite, Horizon Forbidden West. In the beginning of the event, they also revealed GTA 5 to be revealed on PlayStation 5 after some enhancement. But the main highlight of the event was surely PlayStation 5 itself. First, have a look at what PS5 will look like. Now I don't know about you, but I can't decide whether I like the PlayStation 5 design or I don't like it that much. I mean, I like the color scheme of the PlayStation 5, but I am not a big fan of this futuristic shape with curved edges and rounded corners. But I like these blue accents given to PlayStation 5, and I also like the fact that Sony is giving us a digital edition of PlayStation 5, as I know many people who only buy digital copies and are not buying physical copies anymore. And I like that Sony has taken this step to encourage more and more people towards digital copies. Apart from the design, Sony also revealed some accessories for the PlayStation 5 like wireless charging dock, wireless media remote, HD camera, and wireless headphones. They also showed us some highlighting features of PlayStation 5 and DualSense 5 like 4K UHD Blu-ray, ultra-fast SSD, ray tracing, 3D audio, haptic feedback of controllers, adaptive triggers, built-in mic and speakers, and USB-C port. All in all, I think the event was great and it has shown us the direction PS5 will take in terms of features and games we will see in future. I expected that they might show some software of the PlayStation 5, but I think they are saving it for another event later on in the year before the launch of PlayStation 5. So guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, so please smash that like and subscribe button and follow me on the social media platforms. I'm also very active these days. Keep supporting the channel and help it reach 1000 subscribers. Until then, I will catch you guys in my next video.